Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this bright and colorful dry brush and nail stamp design. So I'm using this mint green by Salon Perfect called in mint condition, this neon yellow by China Glaze called Celtic Sun, this neon orange by China Glaze called Flip Flop Fantasy, this blue by Pure Ice called Pocket Dial, and this pink by LA Colors called Absolute. That's a lot of polishes. And I wanted to go crazy with this design. So I applied white polish just so that the colors pop. And I just swiped on the colors. Now, I might drive you crazy with all my dry brush, but I've seen that you guys really do like the dry brush. I guess because it's really easy. It just gives it a fun look. And this is like the perfect mani for summer. Now using my CiCi and Sisi number 13 nail plate, I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto this nail stamp design. I just loved it. I thought it looked perfect with this dry brush design. I just thought the black just popped and it just gave it a perfect look to it. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.